So in the Nissan Rogue 2014-2020, if you need to reset the maintenance interval, to reset the maintenance notification, it's quite actually easy. So this is your starting display. What you need to do to get to the menu, to the settings menu, you need to press this button, press the left button once. When you press the left button once, you have the options of settings, and you will lead between the settings with the up and down buttons. So choose down button and go to the maintenance. When you highlight the maintenance, press OK. And here we have option service, tire, and others. And it's interesting that it has a British spelling of tire. Quite interesting because it's American car. It actually came from America to my country anyway. So if you highlight service and press OK, you will have the options to set the service or reset it. So actually I don't have the set service, and if I need to reset, I highlight reset and press OK, and I reset the service. The same goes with tires actually.